Howdy y'all, it's Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the 2929 Weslayan. We're gonna walk through and look at this gorgeous one bedroom. Hey, I love that built-in desk that's there, by the way. Isn't this adorable? It just feels great. It feels like a very luxury high-rise, but it also feels really warm and inviting. I love all the wood that's here. The wood is adorable. I love the gas appliances that are here. That's amazing. This is a really cute, it's so kind of cute and small. It's so fun. So it's really an island for two. That's fun. Now this has granite countertops. So that's very beautiful. It's got some really nice cabinets, a Frigidaire fridge. And then here's the living room. The living room is adorable. It's just beautiful. It's got a lot of space. It's tall ceilings. You've got a lot of space in here to work with. And then you do have a balcony too. So you're gonna have a balcony. You can pop out and see some of the views of Houston that are all around. So you've got downtown Houston views, you've got River Oaks views, you've got all sorts of stuff that's here. So you've got everything you want really in a high rise and with an adorable one bedroom. Hey, we're gonna do a really quick part 2 video. So we'll go into the bedroom and bath next. Just hang tight for that. It's gonna play next. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing or you wanna do a tour, you can do a tour virtually anytime. You can just say, Grant, I'd love a virtual live tour, and we'll take care of that for you for free. Send me a text just right away at that number below.